Today is the day of videotaping, frankly speaking. So I decided, since we can't really take little Chelsea anywhere yet, we'll bring the dog park to her. So these are the boys. Well, she knows this boy, but this is a new boy, and he's flirting with Sunny as well. Bella boo, Bella. Okay, that's another new boy. It's funny, they smell each other, and when they know each other, they just move away. There we go, new guy, new fellows. So this is Sully. He's a Portuguese water dog. And this is the Kipper. He's also a Portuguese water dog. Flirty, flirty. Yo, Sal. Kipper. Kippy Kip. They're very playful. He's oh, look. Hi, Bubbles. Penambos. Oh, this is so cute. Very cute. It's nice. I have my own dog park, and this is the sand and salt, because look what I had to do this morning. It's disgusting looking, but at least it's safe, you know. Kipper, hey, yeah, behave, please. Lucy, don't you want to come over with the others? Lucy loves that part of the yard. I'm not sure why, but anyway, yeah. So I've gotten tons of footage from the woods. Kip, you have to be nice. Kipper pet. Belsky, Bella. This one's she's very good. Little Chelsea's very sweet. Very sweet. Bella is so curious. Everybody, look at this. It's a disgusting habit. Hey, guys! Now he goes to Mark. Ugh. But anyway, that's what they do. I suppose I have to be nice because they're doggos. They're different. Ah, you like each other, huh? Yo. He's a pup. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, the girls are flirting. Hey, psst. Don't worry, he does that to boys as well. He's got this, he's kind of a horny bugger. Bella, don't eat the sand. Bella likes the salt. No, sweetie. Oh, shoot. She likes the magic salt as salt. Terrible. Hi, baby. Hi.